Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today we're going to make a cute floral centerpiece for spring or Easter. It's simple to make and very inexpensive, so I hope you like it. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. For the vase, I am using a toothbrush holder that I found at Dollar General for only $3. I just thought it was so pretty and it would make a perfect vase. I also picked up some beautiful flowers at Dollar General for $3 each. You're only going to need one bunch, and it does not say the type of flower that these are, so if you know, would you let me know in the comments section? But you'll need one of those. And then I picked up some more flowers from Dollar Tree, and in the end I show all the tags with the names, so you can screenshot that if you want to. But two from Dollar Tree, and then I picked up this pretty bunch from Walmart, and it was around $3 I believe. And then I also picked up some more Walmart flowers, and I believe these were only 97 cents, and they're Mainstays brand. You will also need a bunny butt from Dollar Tree if you're making this for Easter. I did not use the little egg and flower picks. I believe I picked those up last year at the end of the season from Hobby Lobby, but I did not use those. First, you're going to want to add some foam to your vase. So we just cut it to fit and then hot glued it to the bottom of the vase. We did cut this stick on the bunny butt, that stem, shorter. Now I'm taking my flowers and I'm going to cut them into shorter pieces. Now on this video I showed every step of the way, except there was one little piece of flower that I did add on the right side, and I wrote it in the text at the bottom of the screen so you could see. But everything that I did and used is right here captured in this video, so you can see step by step how I made this arrangement. You could stop right here if you wanted to. I think it looks very pretty. Now I did add one of the pieces from Dollar General. I don't know what that flower is called, but I did add one piece on the right to kind of, or I guess it would be left if you're looking at the screen, to kind of balance it out. And that's the back of the floral arrangement. So now if you're going to be making it for Easter, I added the bunny butt from Dollar Tree to the front kind of bottom section of the arrangement. We did cut the stick a little bit shorter, probably about 4 inches off of the bottom of the stick. So I just took the bunny butt pick and I just placed it in the front, down at the bottom, in the center, and just pushed it into the foam. And then I had to do a little bit of fluffing and rearranging my flowers. I also added a few more pieces of the pretty pink flowers from Walmart to this arrangement. I like to reuse my flowers, so I don't usually hot glue them into my floral arrangement, but you could put a dot of hot glue on the bottom of your stem before you push it into your foam. That way you make sure that your arrangement doesn't change or move, but mine stays in place, and I don't usually hot glue mine in. And here's a look at all of the tags that I cut off of my flowers. Now this one's the one from Dollar General, and I'm sorry I don't know the name of those flowers, but I think they're really pretty, and I like how they're kind of wispy, that kind of look where it kind of drapes down and hangs down. So you'll have to let me know your thoughts, and I hope you enjoyed this video.